Do you struggle with horizon lines or building lines or any sort of diagonal lines, getting those things accurate in your painting? Well, here's a simple tip that you can apply, and I'll show you how I do it and things you can look out for. So if things like horizon lines and building lines are important to you, here's a tip. Use the good old-fashioned spirit level. Very simple and cost-effective. First thing to check is your easel. Is it level? Looks pretty good. This will make sure your painting's also level, or your canvas. And then you can check your building lines, the roof over here. Looks pretty good. I can also check the diagonals of the roof. So this side looks pretty good as well. So that's not too bad. If I go over to this side, I can see it is off by quite a bit. So if I move the spirit level a bit, I can then mark this. And now I know the diagonal of the top of the building there needs to move. And now they'll correspond and it will just look better. How about the boat as well? You've got to make sure the base of your boat is level, because it should be at the same level as the horizon. I can see it is way off, you can see. So if I lift the spirit level, get it centered, and just put a line there, now I can see the rear of the boat here is incorrect. Right, so I can adjust that, put the shadow there, and now it will read correctly and look a lot better as well. So there's a line I'd put for my horizon if I was going to show that, and just check that and make sure it's level. Okay, so if that's showing through, but the diagonal of the wall can obviously still be at a diagonal, that's fine. But as long as the horizon is accurate, and of course you can still paint it in a loose fashion. And check these others as well, the uprights looking okay. If buildings are very important in your painting, you're definitely going to want to check those diagonals and uprights. And as I said, you can still paint them loose, but you will still be following the horizon pretty accurately. So it'll look good to the viewer and you're not going to get totally erratic lines. And I can just adjust this diagonal slightly as well, so it follows and matches the other side. So yes, get yourself a spirit level. It'll save you a lot of hassle and speed up your painting process. So let me know if this tip was helpful to you, and give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe. There's more videos coming your way soon.